Drone Support Services offer a friendly and affordable way to review the condition of your property. Our drones have high-resolution 4K cameras to capture clear photographs and videos. They can zoom in on problem areas such as gutters, flashings and chimneys without touching the roof. This can help your roofing or building services provider to assess your property without the need for expensive scaffolding. Our services are available to both residential and commercial customers. Our CAA approved operators are fully trained and insured for your peace of mind. We can show you the footage on the day, save it on your computer or email it for your future reference. Call or email us for a free, no obligation quote.